Hello, my name is Evie and I am working in the Oldwood factory, and we are producing the furniture for housing units. We are producing the furniture in the middle of the nature in the woods of Latvia. This wood comes from old houses, and mostly it's from very old ones, approximately more than 100 years old. It takes hours and hours to prepare for a carpenter to start produce. It comes with natural holes in it. We take out the old metal things. That makes that every piece of furniture is individual. You won't find the two exactly the same pieces of furniture. Congratulations, housing units, on your 75 years anniversary. It has been a pleasure working with you over the decades.